Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to prevent your Windows computer from tabbing out games. So if you're an avid video game player on your computer and you notice that the games are appearing in the tab Windows versions of the game, and then I'll show you how to resolve that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type at dito yung control panel, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung icon na yan, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung category, so click mo lang yan, and then dito sa category settings, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung ease of access, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa ease of access, so ang next step dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung ease of access center, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa ease of access center, ang next step under dito sa explore all settings, and then scroll down lang tayo, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung make the keyboard easier to use. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito. Okay, so click lang natin yan. And dito sa make the keyboard easier to use, ang next step dito lang sa makes easier to type, and then kailangan lang natin i-uncheck itong tatlong option na to. Okay, so turn on sticky keys, so uncheck lang natin yan. Turn on toggle keys, uncheck. And then yung turn on filter keys, so uncheck lang natin yan. And then dito sa baba, i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito and other solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung keyboards. Okay, so dito sa keyboard, kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-update itong kanyang driver. Alright? So i-select mo lang itong driver niya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung update driver. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers, and then yung browse my computer for drivers. And then select ka lang dito sa dalawa, and then itap lang natin tong search automatically. And makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay? So after dito, and close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu, at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? Click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Alt plus tabbing out of games screen turns black for 2 to 3 seconds. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.